Did you know you can now translate your entire product listing, title, description, and specs with just one click in 3D Sellers? Yep, no more copy pasting into Google Translate or guessing your French adjectives. It's all built right in. Let's say you're duplicating a listing to another eBay account, maybe one for a different country. Instead of tweaking everything manually, scroll to Additional AI Actions. Check Translate the listing data. Pick your language, English, Spanish, German, Japanese, you name it. Want to localize pricing too? Tick Convert Price and Currency and choose your currency. That's it. 3D Sellers handles the rest. Your details? Instantly translated, clear, accurate, and clean. Even the specs stay nice and tidy. Pro tip, you can also match shipping, payment, and return policies between accounts. Easy. So yeah, selling globally just got a whole lot easier and way less frustrating. Try the new translation tool in 3D Sellers and go global in seconds. Why sell local when you can sell worldwide? Start your free 7-day trial, no credit card needed.